Alright, I just thought I'd show everybody how I cut a key on my new Ilco 045 HD key machine. The key we're going to be cutting today is for this Brinks padlock, which I'm sure you remember I picked in a previous video. Anyway, the blank that this padlock calls for, or for this, should I say, this key calls for, is an M1. But anyway, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the blank in the right vise. We're going to loosen the jaw, put it in there, tighten it up just a little bit to hold it, lower the shoulder gauge, wait a minute there, move the carriage to the right, lower it all the way down until it touches the blank, and then continue sliding it to the right until it just butts up against the shoulder. And we're going to tighten the vice jaw down all the way. Next, we're going to put in the original key in the left vice. As before, we're going to loosen the jaw, tighten it down just a hair, loosen it up, lower the shoulder alignment gauge, and slide it inwards until it just butts up against until the shoulder just butts up against the shoulder alignment gauge. And then, as before, we're going to just tighten the vice jaw up all the way. Now we're going to lift the shoulder gauge out of the way to make sure everything's aligned properly there. Looks good. Looks good. Now we're going to turn the machine on. Alright, now I'm just going to place the tracer at a point just in front of the shoulder. You don't want to touch the shoulder because if the edge of the cutter contacts the shoulder, it can grind away a few thousandths of an inch of it, which in turn can cause a non-working key, because if it's ground away, when you put the key in, it'll go in too far, and then the values of the key will not align properly with the pins, which in turn will create a non-working key. But anyway, I'm going to start at a point just in front of the shoulder. Hope you can see that there. And carefully trace from tip to bow. Now once I reach the top, I'm just going to carefully back trace it to get any possible cuts that I may have missed. And I'm going to stop at the top, almost next to the shoulder, right where I started. Now I'm going to turn the machine off. Loosen the vice jaw on the right jaw where the blank was put. Now I'm just going to turn the machine on again. Okay, I think that looks good. I think we got a little bit more there. Okay. I think that looks good. Now I'm just going to turn the machine off, and we're going to give it a test. Hold on a minute while I tighten up the padlock here in my vise. I'm working one-handed. But anyway, the moment of truth. Here we go. And it works. Alright, that wraps this video up. As always, rate the video, leave a comment if you'd like, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.